Do you know how the idea of digital banking created new skills from the most innovative services and products? Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be the first one to receive the notification of our latest videos. Hello and welcome to Bankrate, where millions of people around the world can learn and be aware of banking and finance. So let's get started. Cryptocurrencies. A cryptocurrency may well be a digital quality designed to figure as a medium of exchange whereby individual coin possession records unit of mensuration hold on in associate in nursing extraordinarily ledger existing in associate in nursing extraordinarily variety of processed information pattern study cryptography to secure dealing records, to manage the creation of additional coins, and to verify the transfer of coin possession. In 1983, the American decoder David Chaum formed Associate in Nursing Anonymous Subject Electronic Cash said as eCash in 1995. He enforced it through DG Cash in 1996, describing a cryptocurrency system. Initial business it in Associate in Nursing MIT list in 1998. Family line die written a high-level read of B-Money, characterized as Associate in Nursing Anonymous, distributed electronic money system. The initial suburbanized cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009 by presumptively anonymous developer Satoshi Nakamoto in solar calendar month 2011. Namecoin was created as an attempt at forming a suburbanized DNS that may manufacture web censorship extremely onerous peer financing peer-to-peer disposal, along abbreviated as peer-to-peer disposal, is that apply of disposal cash to people or businesses through online services that match lenders with borrowers. Peer-to-peer disposal companies sometimes give their services online, and attempt to operate with lower overhead and supply their services any cheaply than ancient monetary establishments. As a result, lenders will earn high returns compared to savings and investment merchandise offered by banks, whereas borrowers will borrow cash at lower interest rates, even once the peer-to-peer disposal company has taken a fee for providing the matchmaking platform and credit-checking the recipient. Alongside as crowd disposal, several peer-to-peer loans unit of mensuration unsecured personal loans, though form of the foremost important amounts unit of mensuration season to businesses. Characteristics of peer-to-peer disposal are: it is typically conducted for profit, no necessary common bond or previous relationship between lenders and borrowers, intermediation by a peer-to-peer disposal company, transactions surface online. Lenders may sometimes opt for that borrowers to need a foothold in, if the peer-to-peer platform offers that facility. The loans square measure tending to be unsecured or secured and don't seem to be normally protected by government insurance. Loans unit of mensuration securities which may be transferred to others, either for debt assortment or profit, though not all peer-to-peer platforms give transfer facilities or free rating decisions. Cloud. Cloud computing is that the on-demand convenience of automatic process system resources, notably information storage and computing power, whereas not direct active management by the user. Clouds could even be restricted to one organization or be offered to multiple organizations. Cloud computing depends on sharing of resources to understand coherence and economies of scale. Advocates of public and hybrid clouds note that cloud computing permits companies to avoid or minimize upfront IT infrastructure prices. Cloud suppliers generally use a pay-as-you-go model, which may cause gorgeous operational expenses if directors don't seem to be adjusted with cloud pricing models. Cloud computing exhibits future key characteristics. Cloud computing may increase users' flexibility with reprovisioning, adding, or increasing technological infrastructure resources. Cost reductions unit of mensuration claimed by cloud suppliers. Maintenance of cloud computing applications may be a smaller quantity troublesome, as a result of their doing not got to be compelled to be placed in on every user's laptop computer and should preferably be accessed from entirely totally different places. Performance is monitored by IT consultants from the service supplier. and consistent and loosely coupled architectures unit of mensuration created pattern web services as a result of the system interface. Productivity could even be inflated once multiple users will work on identical information. Availability improves with the use of multiple redundant sites that makes well-designed cloud computing applicable for business continuity and disaster recovery. Emerging approaches for managing property embrace the use of machine learning techniques to propose economical property models. Security will improve because of centralization of knowledge, inflated security-focused resources. Security is commonly concerning just about nearly as good as or on the far side completely totally different ancient systems, half as a result of service suppliers unit of mensuration able to devote resources to determination security problems that countless shoppers cannot afford to tackle or that they lack the technical skills to handle. Virtualization. Virtualization began at intervals the 1960s, as however of logically dividing the system resources provided by mainframe computers between entirely completely totally different applications. Since then, which implies of the term has broadened. In computing, virtualization refers to the act of constructing a virtual version of one issue, equally as virtual hardware platforms, storage devices, and network resources. Hardware virtualization refers to the creation of a virtual machine that acts type of a real laptop computer with associate in nursing package. Kinds of hardware virtualization include full virtualization concerning complete simulation of the particular hardware to permit code environments, equally as a guest package and its apps, to run unqualified. Para-virtualization, the guest apps unit of mensuration dead in their own isolated domains. Guest programs got to be compelled to be specifically changed to run throughout the setting. Hardware power-assisted virtualization may well be a fashion of rising overall potency of virtualization. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to be the first one to get the notification of all the upcoming videos.